Top Scorer Strategy Blueprint. 10 Steps to Good Grades. Step 1. Subject Mastery via Layered Reading. Instead of reading chapters linearly, use this 3-pass method. Pass 1. Skim headings, diagrams, and bold terms. Build a mental map. Pass 2. Read deeply and annotate margins with questions or keywords. Pass 3. Teach the chapter aloud to a wall or friend. This locks retention. Bonus. Use color-coded sticky tabs. Green for concepts, red for doubts, yellow for formulas. Step 2. Error logbook for maths and science. Every time you make a mistake in practice papers, log the question, your wrong approach, the correct method, why you made the error. Review this log weekly. Toppers say this alone boosts scores by 5 to 10%. Step 3. Concept compression. Sheets. Create a 4-sheet per chapter with key definitions, diagrams, formula derivations, 3 to 5 HOTS questions. Here, HOTS stands for Higher Order Thinking Skills. Use these for rapid revision before tests. They're your personal cheat codes. Step 4. Reverse Timinable Technique. Instead of planning forward, I'll study Chapter 5 tomorrow. Plan backward from your exam date. Allocate revision slots first, then mock test slots, then chapter completion slots. This ensures you finish early and revise multiple times. Step 5. Visual recall anchors. Associate tough concepts with vivid images or metaphors. For SST dates, imagine a timeline as a train with stations. For chemistry reactions, visualize them as dance moves between molecules. Use sketch notes or mind maps. Your brain loves visuals. Step 6. Focus ritual. Before study, before each session, 2 minutes of deep breathing. Say your goal aloud. I will master this concept. Keep only one book and one pen on the table. This primes your brain for deep work. No multitasking allowed. Step 7. Exam Simulation Sundays. Every Sunday, simulate a full paper. Sit with timer, answer sheet, and silence. Follow board format strictly. Review with marking scheme. This builds exam stamina and reduces anxiety. Step 8. Question type mapping. For each subject, map. Which chapters have MCQs, short answers, long answers? Which topics repeat across years? Use this to prioritize high-yield chapters. It's strategic scoring. Step 9. Peer teaching pods. Form a group of 3 to 4 students. Each teaches one topic weekly. Teaching forces clarity. You learn from others' doubts, builds confidence and retention. Record your teaching as voice notes. It's revision on the go. Step 10. Last 48-hour protocol. Day 2. Revise only concept sheets and error logbook. Day 1. Solve 1 mock paper plus light revision. Exam morning. Review formulas, diagrams, and 1 motivational video. No new learning, only confidence building.